Hello viewers, I am Anshita Jain. Welcome to all of you in Samydarshan News. Today we are talking on Nelson Mandela International Day. So let us start with this. First, I will tell you about which is written by Nelson Mandela in short. It is easy to break down and destroy. The heroes are those who make peace and build. What is a Mandela Day? On the 18th July every year, we invite you to mark Nelson Mandela International Day by making a difference in your communities. Everyone has the ability and responsibility to change the world for the better. Mandela Day is an occasion for all to take action and inspire to change. In the 67 years service of humanity, Nelson Mandela devoted his life to the service of humanity as a human rights lawyer, a prisoner of conscience, an international peacemaker, and the first democratically elected president of a free South Africa. Now we talk about how did the day come about. November 2009, in recognition of the former South African president's contribution to the culture of peace and freedom, UN General Assembly declares 18 July Nelson Mandela International Day. Resolution recognizes Mandela's values and his dedication to service of humanity in conflict resolution, race relation, promotion and protection of human rights. Reconciliation, gender equality and rights of children and other vulnerable groups, the fight against poverty, the promotion of social justice. Their resolution acknowledges his contribution to the struggle of democracy internationally and the promotion of a culture of peace throughout the world. Now we talk about the rules of the Nelson Mandela. December 2015, the General Assembly decided to extend the scope of Nelson Mandela International Day to also be utilized in the order to promote the human condition of imprisonment, raises awareness about the prisoners being a continuous part of society, and to value the work of prison staff as a social service of particular importance. So the General Assembly resolution not only adopted the revised United Nations standard minimum rules for the treatment of prisoners but also approved that they should be known as the Nelson Mandela rules in order to honor the legacy of the late president of South Africa who spent 27 years in prison in the course of struggle referred to the above. In 1955, the first United Nations Congress on the Prevention of Crime and the Treatment of Offenders, the standard minimum rules of the treatment of prisoners, originally adopted by the first UN Congress on the Prevention of Crime and the Treatment of Offenders in 1955, constitute the universally acknowledged minimum standards for the management of prison facilities and the treatment of prisoners, and have been of tremendous value and influence the development of prison law, policies and practices in member states all over the world. In the recognition of the advances in the international law and correctional science since 1955, however, the General Assembly decided in 2011 to establish an open-ended intergovernmental expert group to the review and possibly revise the rules. Relevant UN bodies, other international and regional organizations as well as civil society were invited to contribute to the process as the custodian of the standard minimum rules. So the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime closely accompanied the revision process by serving as its secretariat. Its fourth meeting held in the Cape Town, South Africa in March 2015, the expert group reached a consensus on all of the rules open for revision in May 2015. The Commission on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice CCPCJ endorsed the revised rules and submitted the entire set of revised SMRs for approval by the Economic and Social Council and subsequent adopting by the General Assembly. In December 2015, the UN General Assembly adopted the revised rules as the United Nations Standard Minimum Rules of the Treatment of Prisoners. As per the recommendation of the expert group, the revised rules are to be known as the Nelson Mandela Rules to honor the legacy of the late President of South Africa, Nelson Rolihlahla Mandela, who spent 27 years in a prison in the course of the struggle for global human rights, equality, democracy, and promotion of a culture of peace. So viewers, how did you like today's news in a new way? Please do let us know by writing in the comment box. For now, this is all over the time being. So please allow me the Anshita Jain as a Jai Jinendra.
न्यू वीडियोस की अपडेट पाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें समय दर्शन न्यूज को और बेल आइकन को दबाएं। आप देख रहे हैं समय दर्शन न्यूज चैनल।